Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, children. Now, chapter 3, playing with numbers. We'll do few questions from exercise 3.6. Before starting the exercise, just we will learn few definitions. What are these definitions? HCF. HCF is nothing but the highest common factor. The short form for the highest common factor is HCF. So what is this one? Highest common factor. Common factor we have learned. From there we will take the highest, means how many times, in how many numbers it is going to exist. That we will count it as highest common factor. The highest common factor HCF of two numbers is the highest or the greatest of their common factors. Means from there how many times it is going to repeat it for all the numbers. So that we will select it, and that is called as the highest common factor. Lowest common multiple, it is also called as LCM in short form. So the lowest common multiple of two or more given numbers is the lowest or the smallest or the least of their common multiples. So here we are going to write down the multiples, and here we are going to write down the factors. Okay, once if you solve the questions, it will be more clear to you. Question number 1, find the HCF of the following numbers. So we are going to calculate the highest common factor of these two numbers, 18 and 48. So what we need to do first, we will take out the factors for 18, factors for 48. So factors for 18, how we are taking it out? 2 9s are 18. Then after that, this 9 we are cancelling with 3 3s are 9. So then 3 1s are 3. See, first 18 is there, that we are dividing like 2 9s are 18. Then again you have this 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Similarly, we are going to take out the factors for 48. The factors for 48 is 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8. Then again by 2, this 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. This number we are going to write it later. Then 2, 2 6 are 12, again 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. So what all the factors we have obtained, that we will write it here. The factors of 18 as well as the factors for 48. Now factors for 18, what are they? 2 into 2, 2 into 3 into 3. Now factors for 48 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Here what all we have got, these are the factors. See how many prime numbers we are getting here, the least common factors, these we are taking it off. Now HCF is also called as least common factors. From here now 2 how many times are existing in this 18 factors, we will see 1 time. So only 1 2 we can select it from 48, not more than 1. Then coming for the number 3. 3 how many times here? Here 2 times, but 2 times we are not going to take. So here we will check it in the other 48, other factor, how many times it is existing. So here it exists only once. So we can take 3, here also once, here also once only. Here also 2 once and 2 once here. This, suppose if it is here and if it is here, not here, then we cannot take it. It should be common for both the numbers. So here 2 is common, 2 is common, 3 is common, 3 is common. So we can take this as a common factor, and here also we can take it as a common factor. The least common factor we are taking it off. So highest common factor, it is, we are taking the highest common factor, which is equals to 2 and 3. 2 3s are 6. So what is the HCF? HCF is also, no, HCF of 18 and 48 is 6 only. 2 3s are 6. Now coming for the bit B. What are the numbers given? 30 and 42. We will take out the factors for 32 here. Factors for 30 is 2 15s are 30, 3 5s are 15, and 5 1s are 5. So what are the factors? These are the factors. We are breaking this 30 into how many numbers? 2, 3, 5. If you multiply, we have to get 30. So now what are the factors for this one? 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. Now 42 factors also we have taken here. 2 into 21 will give you 42. Again we are cancelling this 21 by 3. 3 7s are 21, and again 7 1s are 7. So the possible factors for 42 are 2, 3 and 7. We have written here 2, 3, 7. Now from here we will see the common one. Common factors, highest common factors. So here 2 is common for both, 3 is also common for both. Here 5 is there, here 5 is not there, here 7 is there, here 7 is not there. So we cannot take 5 and 7. Only the common thing we have to take it off. So the common factors for 30 and 42 is also 2 into 3, which is equals to 6. So HCF of 30 and 42 is 6. HCF of 18 and 48 also 6. We can take out the HCF for 3 numbers also. In the next question we will check it out. Find the HCF of the following numbers. Here 3 numbers are taken, 18, 54 and 81. Solution. The factors for 18 are 2 into 3 into 3. Here 18 is there. See 18, how we are taking out the factor? 2 9s are 18. Again 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So the factors for 18 is 2, 3 and 3. The factors for 54. What are the factors for 54 here? 2 into 3, 2 into 27 will give you 54. Again 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So these are the factors for 54. Now factors for 81. 3 into 27 will give you 81, 3 into 9 will give you 27, 3 3s are 9 and 3 1s are 3. So the possible factors for 81 are 3, 3, 3 and 3. We will write it here. The factors for 18, 2 into 3 into 3, 81 is 3 into 3 into 3, 54 is 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now HCF of which numbers? These 3 numbers. 18, 81 and 54 are the common one we will take. So here what are the common one? Here 2 is there, whereas 2 is not here. Here also 2 is there, 2 is not here. So here how many times? 3. So we cannot take 2 now because 2 is not common for 81. Now 3 here one time we have written, 3 one time here, 3 one time here. So 3 we have taken once. Now we'll see here 3 also one more time, 3 also one more time, 3 also one more time. So we have taken 2 times 3. Here it is extra, but we cannot take this one because this 2 times 3 is not present over here and here also. So it should be common for all the numbers. Then only we can say it's a highest common factor, HCF. So here this one 3, 3 2 times, 3 2 times and here 3 2 times. Which one will give you 3 into 3 is equals to 9. Therefore the HCF of 18, 54 and 81 is 9. 3 3s are 9. Hope it is clear to you. You can practice the remaining questions. Thank you children. Now question number 2. What is the HCF of 2 consecutive numbers? 2 consecutive even numbers, 2 consecutive odd numbers. So solution. The HCF of 2 consecutive numbers is 1 only. Example, the HCF of 2 and 3. Consecutive means continuous. We already learned. Continuous it is. 2 and 3. So what is the HCF? HCF is only 1. The HCF of 2 consecutive even numbers. 2 consecutive continuous even numbers. The HCF of 2 and 4 is 2. Like that 4 and 6 also equal to 2. The HCF of 2 consecutive odd number is 1. Example, the HCF of 2 and 5 is only 1. So hope it is clear to you children. Inshallah, next class we will see.